Yo, what's up my fellow creatives? Adrian Boysel here for something that is super cool, super exciting that I've never showed before. Now this is something that's fairly new for me, but it's a tool that I think every creative should have and every business owner and entrepreneur should have if they're actually multitasking and trying to run a successful business. Now, this tool was actually shown to me by Julia McCoy, who's the president of Content at Scale and also somebody that I collaborate with at Digital Marketer. And she showed me this tool and it absolutely changed my whole business. And I can't overstate that because the reality is this is something that I will use every single day in my business, on my cell phone, on my desktop, on my tablet, and you should be using this too. So if you haven't heard about this yet, it's called Start Page. So if you go to your Chrome extensions, you go into extensions, go to the Chrome Web Store, you can click in here and you can hit Start Me. There we go. It's called start.me. So if you go into Start Me, you can see here, this is a new tab page by Start Me. Now, a lot of people have downloaded this tool. I'm using it very, very consistently. Now, if you go back and look here, you'll see if I go and create a new tab, anytime I create a new tab, this automatically loads up. And what I've done here is, let me minimize these. You just click on these to minimize them and show you guys. Essentially, it's an advanced bookmarking tool. Now, it allows you to do a lot more than just bookmarking. If I minimize all of them like this, you can see everything that I have going on. And I'm going to go through these categories real quick just to show you what you can possibly do here. So you can see here's all the different tabs that I've built out. I have my marketing tools in one, right? These are all the bookmarks of marketing tools that I'm using. I have my websites that I'm trying to explore and learn more about. I have design tools that I'm using, Adobe Stock, Leonardo, Kyber, which I'll be making videos on some of these things. If you have any curiosities or questions about any of those, I'd love to cover them. Just let me know, drop a comment down below. Event hosting platforms, Attendee Hub, mastermind groups that I'm a part of or that I'm interested in being a part of, media buying resources, digital marketing resources, social impact brands that I love, social impact capital, and then design inspiration, where I'm getting some design inspiration. Then from there, I have all my Content at Scale stuff. So I can see all my top priority stuff here. I can see my calendar here. I can see my upcoming events that I have, which I think all that's left in here is Brighton SEO. And then I have my cast deliverables, so all the things that I'm knocking out and doing as part of my day-to-day, and I can hide all the checked items if I want, but I want to actually show them so I can see how much I accomplished, which makes me feel great. Got team hours, which you can see here is a time zone for somebody on my team that's in Manila. I have my guy Dose's schedule. I have my Adrian agency resources and sites, my calendar for the agency, my deliverables here, and my exclusive care deliverables for one of my clients. This is all my Adrian Boysel personal brand stuff, affiliate programs, future tech and things I'm doing with future tech, Lead Butler, which you guys may have heard of and may know a little bit about. Some of the things I have going on with Lead Butler, some of the documents I've made, deliverables I'm working on, my Instagraphics community and all the resources I've made for that, as well as my consulting clients and investments. So I even have an investments. Now what's cool about this, and I have some other stuff here you can see, is you can create multiple kinds of widgets. Now you can use this for free. Yes, F-R-E-E, one of my favorite F words, but you can create bookmarks, which is what a lot of these are. You saw here, like this is bookmarks, news feeds. You can plug in news feeds from other places. You can create notes, which is what you see here is notes. I just made my own little note there. You can do a to-do list, which is what you saw here under my deliverables. These are to-do lists. So you can check things off. And then the last one here on the main list is your embed. You can embed things, charts and things like that on there, maybe a YouTube video, or you can browse all widgets. Now let me move this out of the way. You can see here they have a calculator, a calendar, a chart, a clock, analog, a world clock, a currency converter, Facebook you can integrate now. When you pay for it, you pay $60 for life at the recording of this video, at the time of this recording. You can get AdSense and sync your AdSense in here, which I'm going to do. Your Google Analytics, your Google Calendar, your Google Tasks, image gallery, profiles, search, stock quotes, Trello, Twitter timeline, which is obviously going to have to change to X, and then your weather. So there's so much stuff you can build into this page. I've gone as far as to create a personal one, which I'm still working on, still dialing in, books that I'm reading, things I'm working on. There's AI tools and resources. So these are all kinds of AI tools for all the different subjects, for chat, for coding, for copywriting, for automation, for audio, for AI detection. Look at how many different tools there are on this page. I have a crypto dashboard so I can see everything that's going on with crypto, which is pretty incredible. You can see all the news, crypto panic news feed, the hardware wallets, just wallets in general, decentralized exchanges, on-chain explorers. I mean, just tons and tons of resources for anybody that's interested in crypto. And they have a lot of these in templates that you can already download. You can see here, this one was created by Seraph. This one was created by Start.me. This one was created by Start.me. This one was created by me. and so is this one. So you can build your own. You can probably even add these as templates, but this right here has increased my productivity, increased my results. If you're like me, like I was, the reason why I'm using this is I used to have a window like this, but with like 20 tabs. And then I'd have another window. Let's just pull up another window as an example. I'd have another window like this with another 20 tabs. You can see here I have about 10 or 12 tabs here, but that's because I've been working all day listening to a bunch of different things. But I don't need to keep these tabs open anymore. I can close them down. So Qigong stuff that I was looking at earlier today. I can close this out. I can close this out. So you can see here, I only have 2 to 3 windows now. Here's my personal one. I have a personal window that I keep open. I have my agency window I keep open. And then I have my content at scale window, which is the yellow one here. So I have way less windows. My computer runs a lot faster, and I'm keeping things very, very simple and not having to spend a ton of time looking for stuff. I've like, what tab was it in? What page was it in? Now I have everything just linked over. So I want to go to my Boysel, Adrian Boysel Press, and I can see everywhere that I've been published, all of the podcast episodes that I've been in. I can click on see all the publications I've been in. All I got to do is click that, right? If I want to see my client avatar blueprint, I can click that. If I want to see my 6-figure keynote presentation, I can click that, and it opens right up to that presentation. So it allows me to find things very, very quickly. My consulting program, my newsletter, all the different things that I have going on right now. So this is an amazing tool. If you're not using something like this right now, I highly recommend that you do. You check it out, start.me. You can download the extension, have this on your phone, your computer. You can set this as your start page for any of your devices. So really valuable tool that I wanted to show you guys to help you with your productivity and your efficiency. It's helping me significantly, so I want to help you guys out too. So God bless you guys. Hope you're having an amazing day. I'll see you guys on the next video. And if you haven't already, join the Instagraphics Pro Network. It's a skilled community of highly skilled graphic designers, web designers, and motion designers that are looking for community, looking for connection, just like you. And we're doing some amazing stuff together, including our weekly networking calls. So join the group. Make sure you fill out all the questions or we can't let you in. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm Adrian Boysel, and as always, keep looking up.